up and check it. We eat while scrolling. Before we sleep, we refresh one last time. Social media is not just an app. It's part of our daily lives. But the real question is, are we using it responsibly?
Guys, look at this post. It says, "There's no school tomorrow." I'm sharing it now.
Wait, it is from the official page?
I don't know. It has many shares already.
Just because many people believe it, it doesn't mean it's true. Fake news spread faster than facts. Before you click share, ask yourself first, is it verified? Is it from a trusted source?
One careless click can mislead hundreds.
Someone commented you so ugly on my photo.
Just ignore it.
No, we should speak up against cyberbullying. Report, block, don't tolerate hate. Words online may seem small, but it leaves a real scar.
Behind every screen is a real person with real feelings.
I post our location earlier. It's cool, right?
Posting real-time location can put you in danger. Not everyone online is your friend. Protect your privacy like you protect your passwords. So what should we share?
Share positivity, share knowledge, share inspiration.
Social media is powerful. It can destroy your reputation in seconds.
But can also build movements, spread awareness, and inspire change.
We have the power in our hands.
Power to hurt students.
Or power to help all together.
Post, think, and use social media responsibly. Your post lasts seconds. Its impact can last forever. Choose to be kind, choose to be responsible, and choose to make a difference.